Namaskar students, this is Professor S. Lal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing in the Department of Science and Technology under the Faculty of Education and Methodology of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, in your today class of numerical computation or numerical analysis, I will discuss about the topic. Please note errors and approximation. Errors and approximation in digital computation. Errors and approximations. Errors and approximations in digital computation. Generally, it has been perception that if a calculation is done with the help of calculator, or if a calculation is done with the help of computer, means with the help of any software, then there may be the highest degree of accuracy in the calculation, but it is not always true. So, how to omit such mistakes if you are calculating, if you are doing any numerical computation with the help of computer or with the help of any digital instruments? Because for a big data, it becomes difficult to calculate the items manually, and at that circumstance, investigators are bound to use the digital platforms to get their required result. So let us come on the topic errors and approximation. To avoid errors, how to approximate the value, how to take the approximate value. Generally, if you are writing 1.99999, then you write this is equivalent to 2. But if you write it is 1.432567, then you take it as 1 only. So if you are doing this exercise throughout the different steps, then you have to mind that during different steps, what will be the actual loss in the aggregate data, the final value of the aggregate data. Because the omission of the values, the digit after decimal, has been a very common perception in the field of calculation. So today we are bound to see some result on this topic, and Approximation and error, here is a slide, please see. Approximation is what? It is unavoidable mathematical modeling, the real world phenomena. Approximation is what? This is unavoidable mathematical modeling in the real world phenomena. Means we are bound to approximate the value. If we are discussing about a model, approximation leads to error, and this approximation, this lump sum value leads to the error. Estimating the error in computation is necessary for reliability of computed result. As I told you in the beginning, that the reliability of calculation by the digital instruments is more in society in comparison to the manual calculation. So estimating the errors in computation is necessary for reliability of computed results. Here see, we have the value of U, and this is the value of V. So the absolute error between U and V you are finding is this. The difference between this is relative error also. You see these two results, in spite of this result is here. So absolute error is this, and relative error is this. This is just an example. So come on the accuracy and precision of accuracy. Accuracy means accurate. It refers to how closely the measured or computed value matches with the true value. Suppose your papa has sent you in your field, in your, you can say, a plot of irrigated land, and he is asking that you go and count the total number of potatoes tree in the field. What the data you are giving and what the data he has already. If both are the same, then the data is leading to the accuracy. It refers to how closely the measured or computed value matches with the true value. Precision, it refers to how closely the computed or measured value agree with each other in a repeated computation or measurement. So students, here you see there are some diagrams in this CPT, the increasing accuracy and increasing precision. Here in figure A, inaccurate and imprecise data is here, because some of the digits, some of the data are beyond to the imagination. In B, accurate and imprecise. In C, inaccurate and precise. And D, accurate and precise. It is centralized to the value at which our thinking is convergent. So errors in computation, how errors are computed? The deviation from an expected or true value, the true value may not be known always. That is, suppose area of triangle, as you know, is capital A is equal to length into breadth. And this area, suppose length is 12 and breadth is 10 centimeter, then the actual area calculated will be 12 into 10 is equal to 120 centimeter square. But by measuring, if someone is measuring the length, she or he is finding that its length is 19.9 centimeter and breadth is 10.1 centimeter. Means there is some loss in length and there is some increment in the breadth. Then the computed value will be what? Multiplication of this and this. This will be 120.19. Means here you see these two data. This is the error. So the error is of what? This is A minus AC, means computed value and actual value. This error is known as absolute error. This error is modulus value, so this is absolute error. When it is compared with the actual value or true value, it is known as relative error. Means this error divided by the actual value compared, this will give you relative error, and this is expressed in percentage as this multiplied by 100. That will give you means percentage of relative error is this. Floating point and machine accuracy. Floating point is what? These numbers are represented by a sign bit S in computer. An exact integer exponent epsilon, an exact positive integer mantissa capital M. Then we should apply this result S into M into B to the power epsilon minus E. This is very famous result that should be remembered by you. And machine accuracy, how it is found, you should remember this. The students, this session is powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. In case of any query, feel free to write your comment in the comment box. If you are writing there, I will try to resolve your query. And for your kind information, you should download the study material that is attached with your portal, that is prescribed for you. Thank you for listening and enjoying this lecture.